Hello friends, I am Deepa Jain and welcome to Swastik Coaching Center. Today I am discussing about the noun. Let's start the discussion. First of all, what is noun? Noun is the name of person, animal, place, thing, idea, human qualities, experience or feeling. Means that noun can be a name of any person like my name is Deepa. Here Deepa is a noun. Another example are Ram, Sita, Mohan. Name of animal like dog, cat, cow, kangaroo. Name of place like London, Australia, Canada, Mumbai. Name of thing like bat, ball, chair, door, house, computer. Name of idea like devotion, superstition, happiness, excitement. Human qualities like kindness, honesty. Now, what are the types of noun? There are mainly five types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. First of all, what are the common noun? A common noun is a name of for something which is common for many things, person, or place. Means that it refers in general. For example, country. Here, country refers to all the countries, not a particular country. Another example is city. Here, city refers to all the cities, not a particular city. If I am talking about Delhi, I am talking about a particular city. And if I am saying city, then I am talking about all the cities. It refers to any city. One another thing is they are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. Means that we write common noun in capital letter only when they come at the beginning of a sentence. Second one is proper noun. A proper noun is a name which refers only to a particular person, place or thing. Means proper noun refers to a particular person, place or thing. For example, Delhi. Delhi refers to particular city. If we talk about particular person, Deepa refers to particular person. If we talk about particular place, Delhi refers to particular place. Thing. Chair refers to a particular thing. Some another example are Australia. Australia refers to a particular Australia refer to particular country. Here chair is not a proper noun. Chair is a common noun. If I am saying Ram is a proper noun. What are the difference between common and proper noun? Common noun is a word that indicate a person, place, thing, etc. in general. Means common noun indicate a thing in general, whereas proper noun a specific one. For example, if I am talking about boys, boys refer to all the boys. But if I am talking about Mohan, I am talking about a specific boy whose name is Mohan. If I am talking about girl, it is common noun because it is common for all the girls. But if I am talking about Ritika, it refers to proper noun because it represents a particular girl whose name is Ritika. Next one is country. Country represents all the countries, but Japan represents a specific country. Kolkata represents a particular city. Book, if I am talking about book, it can be any book. But if I am talking about Ramayana, I am talking about a specific book. River represents all the rivers, but Ganga represents a specific river. Dog represents all the dogs, but Tommy represents a particular dog. Next one is what is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a person or thing considered as one. For example, family. Family contain group of member. Means collective noun represent group of same type. Family represent number group of member. Team represent group of player. Class represent group of student. Army represent group of soldiers. Next one is material noun. A material noun is the name of substance that is eaten, drunk, measured and weighted but not counted. Means that we can't count material noun in numbers. For example, water, we can't say one water, two water. It is drunk. Oil, butter, butter is eaten. Wood, paper, salt, silver, all of them can be weighted and measured but not counted. We can say 1 kilogram silver, but we can't say 1 silver, 2 silver. We can say 1 liter water, but we can't say 1 water, 2 water. Next one is abstract noun. An abstract noun is a word for something that can not be seen. Means abstract noun can't be seen by us. It has no physical existence. It refers to ideas, qualities and conditions. For example, truth, life, happiness, sorrow, time, friendship, humor. In modern English, noun can be classified in three parts. Proper noun, we talked about proper noun earlier. As I told you, a proper noun is a name of particular person, place or thing. Person can be Ram Sham. Place can be Delhi, Bombay. Thing can be Rai. We can say anything. And second type is countable noun and third one is non-countable noun. Now what is countable noun? The noun that can be counted are called countable noun. Countable noun can be take an article A and the, for example, chair. We can say 1 chair, 2 chair, 5 chair. Table, it can be counted 1 table, 2 table, 50 table, 100 table. Bed, ball, etc. Third one is non-countable noun. The noun that cannot be counted are called non-countable noun. For example, water, we can't say 1 water, 2 water, 3 water. Sugar, we can't say 1 sugar, 2 sugar. Abstract and proper noun are always non-countable, but common and concrete noun can be both countable and non-countable. Next one is compound noun. A compound noun is a noun made up of 2 or more words. Each word make a part of the meaning of the noun. Means that compound nouns are formed with the 2 nouns. It can be written in 3 ways. For example, first way is haircut. Here is one noun and cut is another noun. Join together haircut. It make a compound noun. Tooth and paste will make toothpaste. It is compound noun. Rainforest. Rain space forest. Rain is one noun and forest is another noun. Ice is one noun and cream is another noun. In hyphenated, it is the third way. Self hyphen esteem, self esteem. Brother hyphen in hyphen law, brother in law. Another example are sister in law, mother in law. The noun in which we use hyphen. I think I cleared your concept about the noun. Thank you so much. Thank you.